Namaste from me to you. Hello there, I am Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. So today we'll be focusing on 4 words: some, said, she, so. Let's start with some. Some people, some time, some more, some money, some of them. I'm thirsty. I want some water. Bring me some cold water. Thank you. Some snakes are poisonous and some are non-poisonous. Would you like some more cake? Yes. I want to go to Denmark someday. Some students like mathematics and others don't. She asked him some questions. Open the window and let some fresh air into the room, please. The next word is said. She said, he said, I said, they said. Einstein said, it's okay to make mistakes. He also said, the more mistakes you make, the more you learn. She said, goodbye. Do you know what he said? I remember what he said. What he said is not true. I don't like what he said. What he said made us angry. I beg your pardon, teacher. Could you please repeat what you just said? I beg your pardon, teacher. Could you please repeat what you just said? I should have listened to what my mother said. Milan said that he would come back here tomorrow. Milan said that he would come back here tomorrow. The third word is she. She is, she does, she can, she will, she wants, she too. Who is she? She's Avni. She's my friend. She's beautiful. She's kind. She's happy. She's young. She sings well. She's going to school. Will she come? She gave money to the needy. She loves cake. The last word for today is so. So much, so good. How is your English? So. It's not that good. I'm so happy. Thank you so much for inviting me to the party. The children were so excited after the party. He hurried to the station so he wouldn't miss the train. I am hungry, so I am going to get something to eat. It was so cold that no one wanted to go outside. It's raining, so you should stay at home. It's so effective to repeat the English exercises. What you hear again and again. So that's all for today. Meet you in my next class. And as always, I say, stay healthy, stay blessed, and take care. Thank you for being my inspiration. Be happy always.